Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick sketch of two hands holding each other but seen from the back view. So if you have your pencil all set, we're going to put down some quick framework, and which is going to go along these lines. So we will just first determine areas for each hand. So let's say that one hand is here and the other hand that is grasping it is, perhaps we'll use a different color for that. So sort of like that, and then along this we're going to put in some framework. So let's actually first put in the framework for one hand, just like straight out. So please use very light strokes, and we're doing a particular position, so just a sort of a generic position. The knuckle set is like right here, going back like that for this hand. There's the back of the hand, and of course the front of this hand is showing. So we'll do, let's do one. So let's actually put in the knuckles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll just partition the fingers just that much. So 1, 2, 3. And there's some perspective and foreshortening going on here, so the fingers will of course not be outstretched, and they'll be shown at a bend and seem shorter than they are. So let's put down the index finger first, and let's put down the middle finger right there, and we're putting some knuckle structure as well. Let's put in the second largest finger right there, and that finger is not really going to be visible because this hand is going to curl right around this. So we will, sorry, we forgot to put in the thumb. The thumb for this hand will be visible, but with some foreshortening in place. Okay, so we have put down details for one hand here, and we're going to go on to the other hand. Of course, the size of each hand, the anatomy always varies, so there can be subtle differences. So we have to imagine that the other hand is like as if we can see right through this hand. We have to go like that, and we have to have it grasp right around this hand. So the knuckle set for that hand will probably be somewhere around here. Could be here, but somewhere around here. And we'll go with 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the placement of the fingers. We'll start with this finger right here, and we show this finger. So let's just do hooks. And then we go on to this finger here. Like so. Come back to this finger. So they're all coming from here, of course, and then there's that bend at the end. So it's like that. Then we have the index finger that, let's say, is coming down right there. Probably going to go somewhere there. Or we could like stretch it out and have it go down a little bit just to make it more dynamic. let's have the thumb go right there at the back somewhere, and there's the little bit of detail on from the side of the hand where the thumb and the flesh meet. So now we'll just put down the fingers one by one, and we can use, so we have to imagine that the skin folds of this hand, let's use a different pen because it's going to get very messy otherwise. So a darker pen so that we can see this a little better. So the skin folds will engulf part of this hand here. So there's the nail detail, there's the some finger lines, middle finger, same exercise. So skin folds and going backward that way, and then the next finger and the nail and the smallest finger, or the pinky as we say, and the pinky is right there. Let's make the thumb blue as well, and that is our blue hand. So customarily, mostly anyways, what we see in posters and different things is that they show a feminine hand grasping the male hand. So let's make this more slender, more graceful, and that is our feminine hand that we will put down here. So the feminine hand, so the finger grasping like right around in between there, and the thumb going in between there, between that finger, and then yes, the detail for the smallest finger vanishing pretty much. And there we have it. So two hands grasping each other, and of course we could have the fingers like tighter, but that is an exercise that is really left to what purpose we are looking to accomplish. We don't want to see them like grasping as if they are doing like some kind of like wrestling contest. So it's like slightly loose and slightly in a grasping mode, and that is like ideal. So please Google images as well, and you will find lots of pictures that you could play with. So we put out content pretty much every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch, keep watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.